Bloody China! There's a trade war yet again. China and the USA. China is trying to invade Taiwan. Where will all this end? What implications does that have for global commerce and specifically for your ability to get your products from China into Australia? Well, I think it's a bit of a shit fight. And so what I think is a really good thing to do is to start sourcing your products right here in Australia. But whereabouts do you find great products to sell on Amazon here in Australia? So in this video, I'm going to show you my 3 places I use to find awesome manufacturers, awesome factories right here in Australia. Now, if you like this kind of content, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give this video a little thumbs up. It would mean the world to me, and it really, really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to find out more about becoming an e-commerce entrepreneur, get yourself off to www.AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. Next up, James BB. How are we going for time? We're going good. James BB. What is the best way to find Australian suppliers and manufacturers? The best way to find Australian suppliers and manufacturers. I think the 3 best ways to find Australian suppliers and manufacturers, super easy. Go to Austrade. So that's at austrade.gov.au. And you want to go to the international section, and where it says find Australian suppliers, so buy from Australia, find Australian suppliers, that will bring you here, and then you can type in your keywords and go look for your company. That's a really, really underutilized resource for finding awesome suppliers, manufacturers, factories right here in Australia. The other one I really, really like is australianmade.com.au. This is a brilliant site for finding Aussie suppliers, Aussie manufacturers. If you want to wholesale products, for instance, the Australian Made website is fan-friggin-tastic for finding a shitload of Aussie made products that you can wholesale. That's where I do all of my wholesaling from, is the Australian Made website. The final one I really, really recommend you go check out is at 10times.com. And this is a huge trade show website for around the world, not just for Australia, for around the world. I use it all the time. And then you can find something in here. And the best thing you can do is get yourself off to a trade show and go and meet some Australian suppliers. That will be, without a shadow of a doubt, your main best way of growing your supplier base, is to go meet some people. Fantastic way of doing it. Fantastic way of doing it. Hope that helps. Super, super quick one, because there's not a great deal I can tell you about that. That is the best way to find some folks. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session where all of the Aussie online entrepreneurs, over 2,000 of us now, get together and they get to ask me questions about anything at all, and then I just answer them for them. And if you would like to find out more about becoming an Aussie online entrepreneur, joining over 2,500 people right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million on Amazon in Australia, then get yourself off to www.AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks for watching. Bye.